This is MaxReading. First, choose a level, then a book, and then a chapter. If you choose a chapter without text, you will need to look at the picture and try to identify as many details as possible. Think about what is going on in the picture. Where is it happening? What items and colors can you see? Then, click on Go to Questions and answer each one by clicking on the right answer. You can have the questions read out loud to you, and you can always go back to the image if you are not sure of an answer. If you choose a chapter with text, you will need to complete the steps that appear on the upper side of your screen. Your teacher will tell you which exercises to complete and which ones to skip. After you read each instruction, make sure to click the orange button to advance. You can always adjust the size of the letters, and sometimes you can have the story read out loud to you by clicking this button. First is Max Vocab. Click on the gray words that you don't understand and go over their definition. You can click on More for additional information. After you go through all the unfamiliar words, click the orange button to advance. Then you must read the story. After you have read it, you can go on to highlight the important parts of the text with the highlighters. Click on the blue highlighter to identify the topic. Just click on the word or words that tell you what the story is about. You must highlight the topic only once. Then, use the green highlighter to identify the main idea, which is a sentence or phrase that supports the topic. The entire main idea will become highlighted with just one click. Finally, use the yellow highlighter to identify the important details, which are individual words that give you the important information. Not every word is an important detail. If at any point you make a mistake, you can always use the eraser to take it back. When you are done highlighting, you will get a score. You can check what the correct highlighting was and see how you can improve next time. The next step is to write an outline. Here, you can organize what you learned from the text by adding ideas and details. You can always go back to the text to check for more information. Then, you have the summary, where you should retell the story in your own words. Write a main idea, at least 3 details, and 1 concluding sentence. At this point, you will get a few questions to see if you remember what you just read. Click on the right answers or go back to the text if you are not sure. When you're done, you will get a chapter score. From this screen, you can check your work. Go to another chapter, redo the chapter to get a better score, or play the fun vocabulary games.